Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, yes, our MacBooks, those wonderful machines that we just cannot get enough of, and we will spend all of our money getting them for the best and the newest software. So, one of the most important things is how do we look after them, especially when we're on the move and when we're on the go. And that's what we're going to look at in this video, the best accessories in terms of cases and bags to look after them, and general tips when moving around with these. They're made of aluminium, they're easy to scratch, and you know my feeling if you watch the channel of cases, plastic cases, screen protectors, and those keyboard protectors. So, what do I do when I'm traveling around? How do I protect my MacBook? And it's really, really simple on the go. If I'm going somewhere where I'm going to be traveling light, the MacBook is charged up, I don't need any accessories, I'm just taking the MacBook itself, I will always stick it in one of these sleeves. It's wall lined, and there is very, very, very many different variations of these cases. And this particular one I just picked off Amazon, and I'll put the link in it below. It was inexpensive and it does the job. It protects it very, very well. There's space at the top here, and you know what, it is very, very well cushioned. It will stop it getting scratched while out on the move. Now, if I need to take minimal accessories and I'm going to a cafe and I need to take a mouse, maybe a small charger like my Ugreen one, then I just have this Tomtoc carry case. Again, it's all fleece lined. They have this rib around the edge here, and it has like like it's sunk in, so it's all sunk, so the MacBook actually sits in there, and there's this lip to protect it from this zip. The zip actually sits behind this fleece line, and then there is a pouch on the front, which is quite a big pouch, and you'll see I actually have a lot of stuff in here already: mouse, power bank, some cables, a external drive there. I even got a little portable mouse mat in there. I don't even know why that's in there, but that is in there. So when I am on the go and I need to carry it around, I will put it in there, and it has the handle on the top for me to carry around. Really nice. And I've had this now for about 4 years. I bought it when I actually bought the MacBook itself, and this is an M1 Air, this particular one, and I bought it for this. So I will also put some recommendations in the descriptions below for that. Now, if I am going out and I need to take a lot more accessories with me, this could be because I'm traveling further, I'm going away on holiday, but I still want to take my laptop and other stuff with me as well, then I will actually bring with me this rucksack. And as you can hear, I've got stuff in it already. I normally leave quite a lot of my, I'd say, technology bits in there. It is just a Goji laptop bag. It has a tiny little pouch at the front. I've just zipped it up. Pouch at the front. It has a larger pouch at the front here. Just got some headphones and other bits and pieces, electronics in there that I need. Then it has a big pouch in here, and I have some cables, and I also have my iPad in there at the moment. So what I would do is I would then, because of the zips on the other one, and just in case, I would then put my MacBook inside here, and then put that inside the rucksack for added protection. Now, in terms of the accessories we need to look after our MacBooks at the same time, as I said, our MacBooks are made of aluminium, and the screens do tend to get quite grubby. So you're going to want a polishing cloth to keep this nice and clean. Now, this particular polishing cloths that are here are actually made by Blue Swan, which I've got here. It's a pack of 2, and they were about, well, half the price of the Apple ones. I know the Apple ones are really, really good, but I found these just as good. It polishes the screens up very, very well. Obviously, when you're doing this, you don't want to push too hard. I've seen a lot of broken screens just from polishing it, and all these bezels. So just be very, very careful. But make sure you always give your laptop, your MacBook, a good clean and polishing down. You don't want any dust or crumbs or anything getting between the keyboard and the screen that could damage it and scratch it. And the polishing cloths will also work on this aluminium on the outside as well. In terms of when you're out and about, as I said, I don't really like the cases. And there are some of these newer cases that don't have the little grips that go round and hug the screen here. Apple do sell their own ones and they sit round the rim. They are better because they're not putting any stress on the screen and they're not making any additional volume between this very, very small gap between here. It's all built to a tolerance. So as soon as you start adding anything in between the screen and the keyboard, that's when you're going to cause some damage to the screen itself. It puts additional pressure on there. Sometimes you'll open it up and you'll see keyboard marks on the screen itself. If you were to then add a keyboard protector or a screen protector, imagine the tolerance that it was already there. It's just going to be putting additional pressure on that screen. So guys, let me know, when you're carrying your MacBook around, what do you carry in? Do you just put it into one of these types of carry bags here? Do you just carry it in a sleeve and put it in a rucksack? What do you use? I will leave all of the items and recommendations in the descriptions below. They are affiliate links, so they do help the channel out massively, but they do not affect the price that you pay. So guys, give the video a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. We've also brought out our Nintendo series as well, where we look a lot more into the Nintendo Switch. We will be looking at a lot more on the MacBooks to come. And also that 2011 MacBook Pro is still going strong, and there's still some more videos to come out on that one. So thank you so much, guys, and I will catch you all in the next one.